Hi all, it's Rebecca Jacobs here. Hope all is well. We're going to make this as clear and quick as possible before my wonderful children decide to wake up in the background. So let's get started. Here we go. Dash the printer. This lesson plan is designed for a second grade students and to be around 90 minutes or so. The lesson can cover a lot. We will talk about the geometrical shapes of the alphabet. We will also talk about how to break down letters into different shapes. A T is two straight lines, one bigger than the other. An X is two diagonal lines. We will talk about how dash head and its vertical movements will control the print head, pun intended, and determine whether it will draw or not. We will talk about function encapsulation. So we'll point over here. Each letter has its own function. A D has its own function. An O has its own function. A T has its own function. As a group discussion, we will talk about which blocks of code go in the functions versus outside the functions. So let's get to business. The students will design a contraption to hold dash markers in place. We will have to make sure it will close to the paper or poster board, whichever they like to use, but just not too close. We then will start programming dash to write each individual letter. The D, then the O, and then the T. Along the way, we will enforce the shapes and code blocks. The bonus challenge, get this one, can be to see who can have dash draw the prettiest art piece. Dash Van Gogh. Hope you enjoyed.